So here, so if y1, y2, y3 are y coordinates of the vertices of triangle inscribed in the parabola y square is equals to 4x, then show that the area of the triangle is 1 by 8a into modulus of y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1 square units. Okay, this is the question here. Okay, so I am taking the points on the parabola. Okay, so let I am taking, okay, so the vertices of triangle inscribed in the parabola, Okay, so I am taking the vertices as a equals to, or a is equals to x1 y1, a of x1 y1, a of x1 y1 is equals to, I am taking the parametric form a t1 square comma 2a t1, a t1 square comma 2a t1, and I am taking the b point, that is x2 comma y2 is equals to a t2 square comma 2a t2 is the second point. I am taking the third point as t of x3 comma y3, which is equals to a t3 square comma 2a t3. These are the parametric form points. Okay, now what is given? So he is asking to find the area of the triangle. What is the formula for finding the area of the triangle? Okay, so tell me the formula. Area is equals to area of triangle ABC is equals to delta is equals to 1 by 2 into
x1 of
okay,
y2 minus y3.
Yes, x1 into y2 minus y3.
y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2.
Yes, very good.
Modulus
Okay, we have 2-3 formula are there. 2-3 are there. So at present I am taking the formula x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3. Okay, and y1 minus y2 and y1 minus y3. Okay, from x1 I am subtracting x2 and x3. From y1 I am subtracting y2 and y3. Okay, so we can use any formula. Okay, so we get the same answer. Okay, all these are okay. So formula for finding the area of the triangle when vertices are given, when we know the vertices. Now I am substituting the values here. Okay, so what is x1 and okay, so if we substitute the values, okay, so delta is equals to 1 by 2 into okay, so x1 minus x2, so that means a t1 square minus a t2 square, a t1 square minus a t2 square. Okay, x1 minus x3, that is a t1 square minus a t3 square. Okay, so these are the x values. Once we'll check it. Okay, so a x1 minus x2 and x1 minus x3. Okay, at1 square minus at2 square and at1 square minus at3 square. Okay, so these are the x1 values. Now from y1 also, y1 minus y2 and y1 minus y3. Okay, that means 2at1 minus 2at2, 2at1 minus 2at3. Okay, so we are going to substitute that now. Okay, so here 2at1 minus 2at2 and 2a t1 minus 2a t3. Okay, so now whatever it is possible to take common, so you take that common. Okay, so now I am taking from this 1 by 2 into from the first row we can take a common. From the first row I am taking a common. So if we take a common, then we get t1 square minus t2 square. Here also I took a common, then we get t1 square minus t3 square. Okay. Once observe the second row. Second row 2a is common. We can take 2a common in the second row. If we take 2a common, then t1 minus t2 here and t1 minus t3 here. Okay. So now we can cancel the 2 and 2. Okay. If we cancel this 2 and this 2, so we get a into a is a square. A into a is a square outside, and here a square minus b square formula. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. That means t1 plus t2 into t1 minus t2. T1 minus t2. Here also I am applying the same formula here. T1 plus t3 and t1 minus t3. T1 minus t3. Okay. So here also the same, no change in this, t1 minus t2 and t1 minus t3. Now this is equals to a square into t1 minus t2, t1 minus t2 we have in the first column. We have in the first column. So I am taking t1 minus t2 common, okay, from the first column. So what we get here? Okay, so t1 plus t2 and remaining and 1 we get, and t1 minus t3 we have common in the second column. t1 minus t3 I am taking common from the second column. What is remaining other than t1 minus t3? We get t1 plus t3, and t1 minus t3 common means we get 1. We get 1. Okay, so remaining, if we take the remaining part of this, okay, so we get this is equals to, okay, this is equals to a square into t1 minus t2 and t1 minus t3. T1 minus t3. Okay. So after that, AD minus BC concept we have to apply here for finding the determinant AD minus BC. Okay. So that means T1 plus T2. Okay, this is equals to, expanding here, T1 plus T2 into 1, T1 plus T2 minus BC. Okay, T1 plus T3 into 1, T1 plus T3. Okay, since we have negative sign, just to take the bracket, common bracket. Now this is equals to a square into t1 minus t2 and t1 minus t3. Okay. So here I am expanding this bracket, removing the bracket, means t1 plus t2 minus t1 and minus t3. Okay. So anything is possible to take get cancelled. T1 cancel. We can cancel the t1 and t1. So we get a square into t1 minus t2 and t1 minus t3. Okay, and t2 minus t3. T2 minus t3. Okay, so this is the area. We are finding the area, so that is nothing but we get the determinant. Okay, so modulus sign. We get the modulus sign. Okay, so and here T1 and T2. How do we get the T1 and T2 values? So, okay, once observe the, okay, so coordinates here. Okay, 2a T1 is nothing but, what is 2a T1? 2a T1 is the value of y1. y1 is equals to 2a T1. y1 is equals to 2a T1. Now, y1 is equal to 2a T1. This implies, what is T1 here? T1 is equals to y1 divided by 2a. y1 divided by 2a. This is the value of T1. Similarly, okay, similarly, . what we can write? We can write the value of T2. We can write the value of T2 as y1 divided y2 divided by 2a. And what about the T3 value? T3 value is y3 divided by 2a. Okay, substitute the values in place of y1, y. Okay, T1, T2, T3. So now delta is equals to a square into, so T1, what we can replace? T1 means we can replace with y1 divided by 2a minus T2, y2 divided by 2a. Okay. And here T1, y1 divided by 2a and minus T3, y3 divided by 2a. Okay, so and T2 is y2 divided by 2a and T3, that is y3 divided by 2a. Okay, so now in all the terms we can take 2a, 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 okay, as LCM. 2a, 2a, 2a as LCM. Okay, so that is nothing but delta is equals to a square into, so 2a is LCM here. So if it is 2a is LCM, then we get y1 minus y2. Okay, so we get y1 minus y2. Okay, so in the next second term also 2a is LCM and we get y1 minus y3. Okay, once observe carefully, y1 minus y3. Next also 2a is LCM, y2 minus y3. Okay, we get y2 minus y3 and LCM 2a is as it is. Now this is equals to 2a, 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 all these 2a terms, so we can write it, okay, so outside, we can write it outside, means 2a here and 2a here and one more 2a here. Okay, so what we get here? y1 minus y2 and y1 minus y3 and y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3. Okay, so here anything is, can we cancel anything? Yes, a square. Okay, a square we can cancel two a terms, a and a gets cancelled. Okay, so the remaining is this is equals to 1 divided by 2 to the 4 to the 8 into a, 8a into y1 minus y2 into y1 minus y3 into y1 minus y2 minus y3. What we have to prove here? Once check the answer. y1 minus y, 1 by 8a into y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1 square units. We are going to prove this. Okay, once check the, okay, answer here, 1 by 8a is as it is, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3 is also okay, but in place of y1, y3 minus y1, we got y1 minus y3. Okay, so is it same or any difference? Okay, so here y1 minus y2 I am writing as it is, and the writing this y2 minus y3 also last term I am writing in the second position, and okay, I am taking minus common in this, so we get y3 minus y1. We get y3 minus y1, minus of y3 minus y1. Okay, already we know that inside the, okay, so modulus negative or positive, okay, we get positive only. Okay, so that means y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3, this negative sign also becomes a positive here. Okay, that means we get y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1 square units. This is only the required area of the triangle. Required area of the triangle. Understood?